Hey there, freelancers! Welcome back to our channel. Get ready to boost your Fiverr success in 2023 with these quick tips. Tyfash 1. Optimize your profile. First, let's spruce up your Fiverr profile to make it shine. Quick snippets showcasing an improved Fiverr profile. Emphasize a professional photo, a compelling bio, and relevant skills. A killer profile grabs attention and gets clients interested. Tyfash 2. Niche down. In 2023, niching down is crucial. Find your specialty. Demonstrations of searching for popular niches on Fiverr. Explain how specialization sets you apart. Being a niche expert shows clients you're the right choice. Tyfash 3. Create engaging gig thumbnails. Gig thumbnails are your first impression. Make them pop. Show examples of compelling gig thumbnails. Tips on using vivid colors, legible text, and relevant images. A catchy thumbnail lures clients in. Tyfash 4. Craft irresistible gig descriptions. Your gig description is your sales pitch. Nail it. Showcase a well-structured gig description. Highlight clarity, benefits, and a call to action. Tell clients what they'll gain from your service. Tyfash 5. Showcase a killer portfolio. Proof is in the portfolio. Showcase your best work. Share high-quality portfolio items. Explain how displaying past work builds trust. Clients love seeing your skills in action. Tyfash 6. Promote on social media. Don't wait around, go to clients on social media. Demonstrate sharing gigs on social platforms. Harness the power of your network. Spread the word about your services far and wide. Tyfash 7. Deliver exceptional customer service. Exceptional service is the key to success. Highlight timely responses and going the extra mile. Share stories of satisfied clients. Your reputation is gold on Fiverr. There you have it, freelancers. Boosting your Fiverr orders in 2023 is easier than you think. Optimize your profile, niche down, create captivating gig thumbnails, craft compelling gig descriptions, showcase your top work, promote on social media, and deliver exceptional customer service. Your success is just around the corner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.